Ever wondered how to make a man fall deeply in love with you over text? Getting someone interested in you just by texting will be easy if you follow these tips. Before we get started, if you'd like to know how to activate his male ego to make winning your love an irresistible challenge, then click the link in description below. Whether you're texting someone you just met or someone you've known a while, the most important piece of advice for texting someone you find attractive is to have fun. Always keep your texts playful and light-hearted. Making someone smile and light up when they see your message is the key to getting someone to like you over text. You may not be able to see their face, but here are some surefire ways to make your romantic interest smile by text. Tease them. Don't be afraid to poke fun at someone you're texting in a playful, good-natured way. Not only does teasing someone makes them laugh, but it shows that you're not just a suck-up. Teasing alone can show that you have confidence, and this will help build attraction. Make fun of yourself. A surefire way to get someone to smile over text is to make fun of yourself in a tongue-in-cheek kind of way. By making fun of yourself, you get them laughing and show that it's okay for them to let their guard down. They'll feel more comfortable with you, which will allow them to become more attracted to you. Guess their answers. Another way to have fun and keep your texts interesting is to guess how they might answer. This is a great way to spice up your texts, separate yourself from others, and ultimately get them interested in you. Roleplay. The same banter techniques that work in meeting and attracting someone in person also work great over text. Initiate a scenario in which you're already a couple in some capacity, a husband and wife headed toward divorce, a rock star and a groupie, a pair of buddy cops on the case, anything else you can think of. Bantering through made-up roleplay is great. It provides a playful way to create a shared experience that makes the other person smile and feels more connected to you by sharing what your collaborative imaginations can come up with. Make them chase you. When seeking romance, we tend to go for the ones who provide us with some kind of challenge. And this goes both ways. Making things too easy for your prospective partner can be a turn-off, so give them the chance to chase you. You can do this by following these 2 texting tips. Disqualify yourself. To look more confident and avoid coming across as needy, playfully disqualify yourself from your crush's dating pool. That is a joke about how the 2 of you would never be right for each other. Do not overtext. This is a big one, as too much texting can destroy attraction. As a general rule, whoever is putting the most effort into communication is the one doing the chasing. So if you want to be pursued rather than the pursuer, then you must not overtext. Instead, look to keep the text ratio close to 1:1 and text the other person about as frequently as they text you. Make someone feel special over text. Another trick to make someone like you over text is to stroke their ego. Let them know they've made a positive impact on you and that they're still on your mind. An example of this would be, "I just saw the cutest little squirrel in the park gathering nuts and it made me think of you." A text like this is going to make the other person feel special, and making someone feel good is a surefire way to get them to like you. Learn the sneaky text message that makes any man obsessed with you. Click the link in description below.